Good evening and welcome to Share Market Mike. Thank you for your time. Quick Heal Technologies have just released their letter of offer regarding the buyback. The letter of offer contains the dates and the entitlement ratio and some other details. We will quickly see the dates and the entitlement ratio that the company is offering for this buyback and also how to apply for this buyback through Zerodha. Before proceeding any further, if you find our videos useful, kindly support us by hitting the like, subscribe and share button. Quick Heal Technologies buyback starts on Monday, May 31st and ends by June 11, 2021. It is a voluntary buyback offer, which means it is the prerogative of the shareholders whether to participate in this buyback. It is not mandatory. Just to give you a background, the buyback was for 63,26,530 shares, which constitutes roughly to 9.8% of the total paid up equity shares. The record date was May 3rd, which is a past date. It is through a tender offer route. We have covered in another video what a buyback is, what is a tender offer, what is an open offer, and the buyback ratio details. All those things are covered in a separate video. The link of that video is in the description of this video. Kindly watch it. So the tender offer and the price was for 245. Yesterday's closing price of this share was 225. So comparing with yesterday's closing price, it is at a premium of 9%. But on the record date, the price of this share was 185, which is at a 32% premium is the buyback offer. So maybe if we look at it on the day the buyback announcement came, it would have been at a much more premium. Now that we have seen the dates for this buyback, we will quickly see the buyback ratio or the entitlement ratio. For that, we need to know whether we fall into the reserved category or general category of this buyback. How we decide whether we fall into the reserved category or general category is as follows. If you are a small shareholder, you fall under the reserved category. All others fall into the general category. Now, how do you define the small shareholders? All shareholders holding less than 2 lakhs worth of this share come under the reserved category. All others go into the general category. The value of these shares that we are holding is calculated not based on our buy price. It is the price decided by the company. So let's quickly see how the company decides the price. It's decided as on the record date, whether it is NSE or BSE, wherever the volume is higher. In this case, NSE, the volume was higher. So the record date closing price is taken as the standard price. So which is 184.40. So now whoever is holding 1084 or lesser equity shares come under reserved category. All others go into the general category. Now we will be able to see what is the buyback ratio or the entitlement ratio once you decide which category we fall into. If we fall into the reserved category, then 37 equity shares would be bought back for every 303 equity shares. If we fall into the general category, 2 equity shares will be bought back for every 21 fully paid equity shares. So this buyback is through tender offer route. So it's the prerogative of the shareholder whether he or she wants to participate in this buyback. So how many shares can I tender? The rule says the number of shares that you hold as on record date, those many number of shares we can tender to the company for the buyback procedure. But the guaranteed number is 37 equity shares for every 303. So if you are going to tender more, only if the participation is lesser, those extra shares will be considered for buyback by the company. Otherwise, they will be returned back. So to the last part of our video, how can we participate in this buyback through Zerodha? We have a link for Zerodha, the console.zerodha.com. Once we log in into this website of Zerodha, we will see something called the portfolio link. When you click the portfolio link, the drop down appears. There we will see something called the corporate actions. That is a link. So once we click the corporate actions, we will see the list of stocks that are in the participating for buybacks. So the name of Quick Heal Technologies will appear on the opening date of the buyback. That will also be like a link. So once you click that, you can enter the number of shares you want to tender and then complete the procedure. Once the buyback procedure is complete, the amount is directly credited into your bank account, not to the trading account. With this, we have come to the end of the video. If you find our videos useful, kindly support us by hitting the like, subscribe and share button. Thank you.